Hello everyone. In the today's class we are going to discuss about Robert Browning, about his life and some important work through question answer and full analysis. So let's start. These are some important books written by Robert Browning: Orlando, The Pied Piper of Hamelin, Man and Woman, The Ring and the Book. First question is, when was Robert Browning born? These are options: 7th May 1816, 7th May 1808, 7th May 1812, 7th May 1820. So here correct answer is option number C, 7th May 1812. Robert Browning born in Camberwell in London. He was an English poet and playwright. His dramatic monologues and the psycho-historical epic The Ring and the Book is a novel establish him as a major figure in the history of English poetry. Next question is, Robert Browning belongs to which period? Options: contemporary, Victorian, modern, Renaissance. Correct answer option number B, Victorian period. He was come to be regarded as one of the most important English poets of Victorian period. Next question is, which one of the following is Robert Browning's first work? The Ring and the Book, Man and Woman, Pauline, Sordello. Correct answer option number C, the Pauline. Pauline is the first work written by Robert Browning, published in 1833 anonymously. The book is the confession of an unnamed poet to his lover, the eponymous woman. Robert Browning, born on 7th May 1812 in Camberwell, died 12th of December 1889 at the age of 77 in Venice. Resting place, Westminster Abbey. Occupation, poet. Alma mater, University College in London. Literary movement, Victorian period. Spouse, Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Married with 1846 and she was died 1861. Children name, Robert Wedman Barrett. Next question, which one of the following poems by Robert Browning, A Man Strangled His Lover with Her Hair? Options: My Last Duchess, The Pied Piper of Hamelin, Andrea del Sarto, Porphyria's Lover. Correct answer option number D, The Porphyria's Lover. Porphyria's Lover, it is a poem published in 1836, described being visited by his passionate lover Porphyrias after realizing how much she cares for him, and however the speaker strangles Porphyria and then he props her lifeless body up beside him. Next question, what technique is used by Robert Browning in My Last Duchess? Dramatic monologue, lyric, narrative, epic. Correct answer option number A, dramatic monologue, technique used by Robert Browning in My Last Duchess. Published in 1842, it is a poem, 56 lines. It is a classic example of dramatic monologue. Next question, how many rhyming couplets used by Robert Browning in his poem My Last Duchess? 28, 20, 24, 32. Correct answer option number A, 28 rhyming couplets used by Robert Browning. The poem is written in 28 couplets in iambic pentameter. The poem is set during the late Italian Renaissance. Next, which of the following poems is included in the Robert Browning's dramatic lyrics? Options: The Pied Piper of Hamelin, The Porphyria's Lover, My Last Duchess, all of above. Correct answer option number D, all of above. Used by Browning, a dramatic lyric. Dramatic lyric published in 1842. It is a collection of English poems. All of the above poems, Porphyria's Lover, Pied Piper and My Last Duchess, are included in this self-published series, Dramatic Lyrics. These are some notable works. Best poems: My Last Duchess, Pied Piper of Hamelin, Porphyria's Lover, Heidi Roland to the Dark Tower, The Lost Leader, Meeting at Night, Fra Lippo Lippi, The Laboratory. Plays: Columba's birthday, Victor, King Charles, Pippa passes in a balcony. Next question, what is the setting place of the poem Sordello? Options are England, Italy, Ireland, in Australia. Correct answer, option number B, in Italy. The setting in the northern Italy in 1220s, dominated by the struggle between the partisans of Pope and the partisans of Holy Roman Emperor. Next question, which one of the following poems is written by Robert Browning? Options: To a Skylark, Ode to a Nightingale, Fra Lippo-Lippi, In Memoriam. Correct answer, option number C, Fra Lippo-Lippi is written by Robert Browning. To a Skylark is written by P.B. Shelley. Ode to the Nightingale, John Keats. In a Memoriam written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Next question, the character Pompilia is taken from which one of the following works of Robert Browning? The Ring and the Book, Paracelsus, Man and Woman, Orlando. Correct answer, option number A, The Ring and the Book. Pompilia Comparini was a 17 years old wife of Count Guido, bought as a newborn infant from a prostitute. Pompilia was brought up by aged foster parents, trapped in an incompatible marriage not of her choice. The Ring and the Book, published in 4 volumes, 1868 to 69. The Ring and the Book is a long dramatic narrative poem, and more specifically a words novel, 21,000 lines. Next question, what is the name of Robert Browning's spouse? Elizabeth Hurley, Elizabeth Olsen, Elizabeth Barrett, Elizabeth Warren. Correct answer, option number C, Elizabeth Barrett. Married to Robert Browning in 12th of September 1846, Elizabeth Barrett Browning was an English poet of the Victorian era, popular in Britain and the United States during her lifetime. She was born on 6th of March 1806. Next question, who is the speaker of My Last Duchess? Duke of Clarence, Duke of Bedford, Duke of Somerset, Duke of Ferrara. Correct answer, option number D, Duke of Ferrara is the speaker of My Last Duchess. The poem is preceded by epigraph Ferrara, indicating that the speaker is most likely Alfonso II d'Este, the 5th Duke of Ferrara. My Last Duchess is all about power, the political and social power wielded by the speaker, the Duke, and his attempt to control his marriage in the same way that he rules his lands. Next question, at what age Browning composed his first literary work? 12 years, 16 years, 18 years, 20 years. Correct answer, option number A, 12 years. When he was at the age of 12, he started writing. He learned to read and write at the age of just 5 years and composed his first literary work at the age of 12. Next question, which one of the following works is written by Robert Browning? The Laboratory, The Lost Leader, Only A, both A and B. Correct answer, option number D, both A and B. The Laboratory and The Lost Leader, written by Robert Browning. The Laboratory, published in 1844, and The Lost Leader, published in 1845. The Laboratory, it is a poem and a dramatic monologue, and published in the Hoods magazine and Comic Miscellany. Next question, which one of the following is included in the collection of dramatis persona? Rabbi Ben Ezra, My Last Duchess, The Pied Piper of Hamelin, Sordello. Correct answer, option number A, Rabbi Ben Ezra. Rabbi Ben Ezra, poem written by Robert Browning and about Abraham ibn Ezra. one of the great poets, mathematician, and a scholar of the 12th century. And he wrote on grammar and astronomy. Dramatis Persona, it is a collection of poetry published in 1864. Next question, what is the plot of the Robert Browning's The Ring and the Book? Options are the Finding the Lost Ring, Murder Trial, Moral Story, Collecting Books. Correct answer, option number B, Murder Trial. The books, The Ring and the Book, tells the story of a murder trial in Rome in 1698. Next question, ignorance is not innocence but sin. Who said above quote? Robert Browning, Elizabeth Barrett, George Eliot, Thomas Hardy. Correct answer, option number A, Robert Browning. Ignorance is not innocence but sin, said by Robert Browning. Next question, Fra Lippo Lippi, written by Robert Browning, depicts which famous painter of 15th century? Options are Robert Campin, Simon Marmion, Filippino Lippi, and Stephen. Here correct answer, option number C, Filippino Lippi. Fra Lippo Lippi is an 1855 dramatic monologue written by Victorian poet Robert Browning, which first appeared in his collection of Men and Women. So now we move on to at the end of this session. So like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query then you can write me in a comment box below. That's it for today. See you soon for the next video. Till then, bye.